Hey guys, I have a review and unboxing, and this is on Tribe Beauty Box. They actually reached out and wanted to see if I wanted to do an unboxing. This is their box for the month of August. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys my thoughts and kind of just unbox this with you guys and see what you guys think. So their subscription is every 2 months. So instead of paying like every month, you pay every 2 months, but it is a little pricey. It's $34.99 and it is for 5 full size products. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end. So this is what the, whoa, I already dropped something. This is what the box looks like. It's just a peach box and it has like little designs on it. And then this is the card, and they are starting out, so I'm kind of like giving them a little bit of a break because I remember when Boxycharm came out, they weren't like all put together as they are now. So it has evolved over time. So this box is called Summer Never Ends, and then the first thing in here it says is the NARS Lip Glide. This is worth $26, or you could get the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Lip Color. So I have this one. This is by NARS, and of course NARS is really high-end. This is called Lemon Blue, and it is a very kind of purpley shade, as you can see there. So it's more of a berry purple, and it's very, very beautiful. And I think this is almost like a lip gloss. Yeah, it feels like a lip gloss. It looks like a lip gloss, so it's probably a lip gloss. And no, it actually says satin to semi-matte finish, so we'll see how it dries down, but it looks very, very beautiful. Next thing in here is Makeup Geek signature eyeshadows, and these are $6 each. You get 3, so you get Shimma Shimma, Peach Smoothie, and Aphrodite. And I have Shimma Shimma is one of my all-time favorites from Makeup Geek. Next up, Peach Smoothie is like one of those incredible transition shades, and then Aphrodite, I don't know if I have this one, so I will definitely see. But the ones that I already have, I will probably donate to someone who can really use them. But these eyeshadows are amazing. I don't ever know what happens to Makeup Geek because I feel like their shadows are amazing. I have a full palette just of Makeup Geek eyeshadows, and I feel like all of a sudden like people stop talking so much about Makeup Geek, and they are now available in Target too, so you would think like there would be more hype. I don't know. Next up is the Crown Trio brush set, and this is worth $29.99, and this is what this looks like. I do have this set. I'm almost sure that I got this in a Boxycharm, so I will be giving this away. And I do really like these brushes. As you can see here, I have used them and I have them there in my collection. This was all good for an all over shade. This one's really good for a blush, and this one's really good for contouring. So this little trio is worth $30 and is a really, really nice brush set. So I will be giving that away to someone as well, just because I don't like overdoing it and like having way too much in my collection. Next up is the Vasanti Makeup Magnet Wipes. This is makeup cleansing wipes using micellar water. You have 30 sheets in here. I can't wait to play with this because I do really like Vasanti. I have used quite a few of their products as far as like brushes, so it's nice to see something else from them. I don't understand the whole magnetic thing. I don't understand, but it says makeup removal just got easier. It's wipes that are soaked in micellar water, so it's supposed to help you like just take away like any kind of makeup and dirt and that kind of thing. And it says the tiny micelle molecules attract dirt, oil, and pollutants from your makeup or from your face like a magnet. Okay, so that's why they call them magnet wipes. So it's just supposed to like take everything off. So definitely will try these out and see if I like them, and that is worth $12. And then the last thing in here is the So Susan Hot Light Highlighting Pencil, and this is worth $19.95. So it's in Flattering Ivory Cream Pencil. So I'm going to see how this is. And I don't know, like the name So Susan kind of rings a bell with me, but I'm not really sure. And let's just, okay, if I could open this. Okay, so I'm just going to, okay, This is one of those pencils that I really like for like in the waterline. It just really opens up your eye. It's like that pale peach color that just really opens up your eye. So this seems really, really nice. I don't think I would use this like as a highlighter. Let me see what it says. Yeah, it says help reduce eye bags and increase skin elasticity, but I don't know. I don't know if I would use this underneath my eye. It's too drying for it, but I would use this as a waterline pencil. So that is it for this box. Out of all the things that I feel like a lot of the things in here are really nice. The Makeup Geek eyeshadows, the crown brushes, the NARS lip. So this is really nice. The only thing that, to be 100% honest with you guys, that kind of throws me off is the price point. And the reason for that is that there are so many subscription boxes out on the market right now. And like I told them, I was going to give my straight up honest opinion like I always do, and they were like, no, you know, we want feedback and all that. And my feedback is that they would have to lower the price. Why? Because you have awesome subscriptions like Boxycharm, which are $21 a month, and you get 5 full products too. So you know what I mean? Like when you have that out in the market and then you try to put out a box that's more expensive, either you have to compensate and have more in that box or more expensive products in that box to actually make it worth a consumer's worthwhile to actually spend that much money. You know what I mean? So I feel bad for them because I know they're starting out. I can just tell that just by like their little card and everything that they're starting to like get their feet wet and try to like get in there. And you know, so you want like you want companies to succeed. You want everyone to have like their little piece of the pie. But, you know, sometimes you also have to put in perspective like a consumer's point of view. And to my point of view as a YouTuber and also a consumer, this isn't something that I would actually purchase myself, because I would say, okay, $35 every 2 months isn't too bad. But at the same time, Boxycharm is $21 a month, and then you get 5 products. Sometimes they've even sent 6 products, and they're full size, awesome, different brands that are really like in trend right now. So that is something that they have to kind of see and compete with. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have you tried Box? What are your thoughts on it? You know, I haven't seen any of their other boxes, or, you know, maybe with time they will increase the amount of products that are in here or the value of the products. And I think maybe on the long run it might get a little bit better or worth $35. But right now I just feel like, I don't know, there's just way too much competition. And when your competition has the same thing for less price, it just like doesn't make any sense, you know? So I'd love to hear your 2 cents on it. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, love you guys. Talk to you soon. And if you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.